courtesy of City Suburban Heating and Air Conditioning, accredited contractor. As you can see, www.citysuburban.com. Do I get a complimentary tarp with it? Cover it up?
I wish I could give you one.
That's okay. When I go to Lowe's, I'll get one.
Yes, sir, for the winter time.
Yeah.
You know? Good idea.
Although I imagine they can probably handle it without one. I see a lot of the people with them, and they just don't even cover them.
Yes, sir, they sure do. They will handle it. The old ones used to rot out because they had a lot of steel in them, you know?
I just feel safer covering it up.
Don't blame me. That goes between RH and RC on that thermostat. Straight above the gentleman's computer.
Trane X.
What's that? Don't need it. It's a push button one. Yep. Yeah, this is one of the very best on the market today. The Tranes.
That's good, because when it gets above 70 degrees, I boil.
Oh, you suffering there?
Yeah,
Huh?
I do.
Yes,
Even outside, it gets above 70. It's brutal on me. I used to be able to handle the heat fine, but like the last 5 or 7 years, it's like...
I'm the same way today. We do attic installs on occasion, and the attics get sometimes 140 degrees up in them when you're putting these in. Boy, it's starting to take its toll the older I get.
My parents now, they're the opposite. They used to have the AC blasting when they owned their business on West Dominic Street, and then the last 2-3 years they stopped using it pretty much. So I'd walk in there in the middle of the summertime and I'm like, you know, it's 92 degrees outside. Yeah, so it's 87 degrees in here. What's your point?
It's amazing how your body changes, you know, as you get older. The cold bothers you.
Yeah, I told them I'm going to run this thing until I see icicles coming off the ceiling.
That's right.